Hey guys, ready for another video. It's Wednesday, June the 7th. We're going to start out. There's been some movement in the market. We're going to start out with the pound dollar 1 hour. You see it's made a move up since yesterday. And there's no sell yet. Going to look at the 4 hours. Not really a buy there either. There was a little buy there, and it was still in buy mode. This is not a sell yet. The pound dollar is still in buy mode. The Aussie dollar 1 hour has made a sell signal. Big down candle, couldn't really get in. You're going to have a retracement for that sale to work. We got to have a retracement up to be able to get into that. And I think there's a good chance it's coming right back down into here. 4 hour, that's too big a risk. That would be the high 67.17. And even if you got in that's 45 pips. That's too much. So the 4 hour is making a sell signal after you had the buy signal down here on last week. It's now making a sell signal. This ends in 33 minutes though. So this candle can change. So if this does make a sell, we want it up and back up into here somewhere for our sell opportunity on the Aussie dollar. Euro CAD has made a buy signal on the 1 hour. It's made a big sell move. There was a little opportunity to get in there that just may retrace some of this candle though. Look at the 4 hour. It's making a buy signal on the 4 hour. But again, it's got 32 minutes left for this candle to form, so this can change. If you're wanting to take the buy, it's got to come back down into here somewhere to take a low risk buy on both the 1 hour and the 4 hour, and that's the Euro CAD. CAD yen has made a sell set. Remember we talked about yesterday, this could continue up. It was kind of in no man's land. It has continued up. It's made a 1 hour signal. It's up there where it needs to be for a low risk trade, but that's pretty close. 104.796. Yeah, that's pretty close. That could go higher. Let's look at the 4 hour. That could go higher. It's making a 4 hour. Again, that's got 30 minutes left, that candle. So that can continue pushing on up before it's a sell on the CAD yen. The odd yen 1 hour has made a sell signal. It's poked back up in there, gave you a little opportunity to sell on the 1 hour. What was the risk on that? 93.52 about. That's 93. So it's 19 pips. Actually a little bit less than 19 pips. So that's what we look for, is those. 1 hour, let's see what the 4 hour says. Okay, it's making a sell signal too, but it's got 30 minutes left. So that can change. Still got 30 minutes on the 4 hour candle on the odd yen. Pound odd has made a buy, and you had a chance to get in right there, and it's took off from there. And this is on the 1 hour. 4 hour made a buy signal as well. That was one of your opportunities right there to get in. Maybe you'll look for another pullback down in here for a buy after the sell up there, which was last week. And that's on the pound odd. Yeah, pull back down into here. It'll be pretty good for a buy opportunity. Pound CAD. It has a 1 hour buy and it's pulled back into it several times. That's usually not a good sign for a buy, but if you do take it, then there's your stop right there. So it'll be a low risk trade for a buy if it does turn around. 4 hour, same thing. It's pulled back down here several times, back down in here again. That just looks like to me it's going lower. It may not. That's a big candle, but it's pretty close to the low where it's going to take that out on a pound CAD. A pound yen made a buy from a Europe session this morning. That was a 1 hour bicycle and it just took off. You never had an opportunity on the 1 hour to get in. And you really need a pullback. Let's see if the 4 hour is still in sell mode. Now see, it's coming up here where we may have an opportunity to sell. Right up into here, low risk trade. That's on the 4 hour. Pound yen. Euro New Zealand. It made a buy during the Asian session last night. It came down. There was your opportunity to get in a couple of times. It's took off. You'd be in profit now. It took some off. That trade's a good trade. That's on the Euro New Zealand 1 hour. And the 4 hour there's the sell. It's still in sell mode. You come back up here and retest somewhere right up in there before it sells off. If it's going to sell off, you're in New Zealand. One hour made a big up move, so I would see some kind of retracement is going to be coming on that a little bit. Pound New Zealand 1 hour did exactly the same thing as your New Zealand. You had one opportunity to get in right there, and it's took off again. It's done the same. It looks like exactly the same as the pound. I mean the Euro New Zealand. Yep, there's the sell up there. So it could be a little bit more of a push up before it possibly comes down, if it's going to come down. Because you got a sell signal on both Euro and New Zealand up there, getting pretty close to it. New Zealand yen, it's been in sell mode. Not really done a whole lot on the 1 hour. The 4 hour. Was in buy mode. There's the sell from back 2 weeks ago. Yep, 2 weeks ago. There's the sell. Here's the buy from last week, and you only got one opportunity to get in, and it's kind of moved sideways for a while there though on the New Zealand yen. The Euro yen. 1 hour, what are we looking at here? We come back down into something. Yes, it did, right over there. Came back down for a buy. Made a good signal turnaround, and it just took off. You really didn't have an opportunity to get in. See what the 4 hour looks like. there's the sell, and it may be coming back up into that, somewhere up into here, before we get a sell opportunity on the euro yen. And last but not least, the euro odd has made a buy signal. That was this morning, early this morning. You had two opportunities to get in. It's made a fairly decent move up on the 1 hour. We'll look at the 4 hour. And it's made a buy signal, and you had the poke down right there. So there's from the sale from last week. Now we're in a buy opportunity. So that was your opportunity to get in right there on the 4 hour euro Australian dollar. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope everybody's making money, protecting your profits, moving your stops like you're supposed to. And please remember to, if I'm providing you good information, remember this is just for an entertainment purposes only. It's advice. I'm trading, but I do trade for a living, and I have since 2007. So I've been trading the same way for that long. So I read the charts, and I have made different indicators that tell me what each of these things mean. That's why it's set up the way that it is. But please hit the like and subscribe button if you would, please. That's just lets me know that I'm helping somebody out there to be able to become a better trader, and that should be what it's all about anyway. Not trying to get 1 million subscribers and making money, and you're really not making money trading, and you're not helping anybody make money trading. So I just like getting likes and subscribes, and that just makes me feel good about that there's somebody getting some good out of my information that I'm able to help. So we'll hopefully be able to have a video for you guys tomorrow. Hope everybody has a good rest of the night and is making money.